Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Cisco loading screen problem using AntQuick. If you want to fix it, first click here and then go to Startup Apps. Make sure to turn off all the applications that you don't want it to start when you start your PC, and then go back and now go to View Advanced System Settings, adjust for best performance, click apply and then OK. You can make it for best appearance whenever you want. Now just close it and go to GeForce Experience. After that, check for updates, click drivers and then check for updates. That's it, your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.